Mabuhay, we have just landed Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time now is 42 minutes past the hour of 8 in the evening, and the date today is 6th of May 2026 on Wednesday. Dear, please announce that we are 23 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and wait instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins to retrieve your items, as these may have shifted during the flight. All passengers with short connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. If you have onward connection on PAL flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking PAL flights departing from NAIA Terminal 1 may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground personnel will be happy to assist you. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance like wheelchair, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Oliger, assisted by First Officer Dungo and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. We would like to remind everyone to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened while waiting for row numbers to be called upon for deplaning. Muli manatili pong nakaupo at hintayin marinig ang inyong mga row numbers para sa maayos at wastong pagbaba. Once again, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. We have a pleasant and safe stay here in Manila. Good evening. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind everyone to remain seated and wait for row numbers to be called upon for deplaning.
This is your captain speaking. Please remain seated until the seatbelt signs are switched off while the crew perform their safety check. Cabin crew doors to disarm.